Hi, in front of me is TCL 20SE and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down, choose Biometrics, Security and Biometrics, click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. When you're done, read the disclaimer and tap Start. Now choose Done. Read these informations over here and tap OK. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!